Today in this video, we will explore 2087 years of history, a time when Israel didn't exist, nor was there any mention of it earlier. Hitler also demonstrated to the world that no one could match the Zionists in scheming on this planet called Earth, and we know it too. So let's delve into the details and stay with us until the end. You are watching SD24, and I am Yusra Parveen.
Power to the people! Power to the people! Power to the people! Power to the people! Free Palestine!
At that time, the era of pharaohs in Egypt was nearing its end, and Cleopatra became the queen of Egypt to establish dominance over the world. You must have heard of her. If not, let us know in the comments. As Cleopatra's reign began to falter, the Zionists started to gain strength. The Jews, or the Zionists of today, established their first Hasmonean kingdom. However, this kingdom was not named after Prophet Jacob, Hazrat Yaqub as, who was also called Israel. The Hasmonean kingdom did not even last 80 years. In 63 BCE, before Christ, the Romans conquered Canaan, present-day Palestine, and expelled the Zionists from the region because the Roman Empire understood that even a small number of Zionists could pose a threat to any great empire. The first Roman emperor, Gaius Octavius, later adopted Christianity and changed his name to Augustus. His rule extended across Canaan, present-day Palestine, the Mediterranean region, Germany, Britain, and even up to the Caspian Sea. The Roman Empire ruled these areas for 500 years. After the advent of Islam, the second caliph, Hazrat Umar ibn al-Khattab, captured Beit al-Muqaddas, Jerusalem, or present-day Palestine, through a treaty in 638 CE. The reign of Hazrat Umar spanned 16 million square miles. After establishing Islamic rule in Palestine, the Abbasid Caliphate ruled from 750 CE to 1258 CE, and the Egyptian Fatimids ruled Asia, Africa, and Europe for 500 years. Meanwhile, in 1031, Islamic rule in Spain ended abruptly. Later, the Frankish Crusaders captured Palestine in 1096 CE, causing the Abbasid Caliphate's influence to diminish further. In 1138, Salahuddin Ayyubi was born in Iraq to parents from Armenia who held significant positions in the Fatimid Caliphate. Salahuddin was sent to the army, and within a few years, following the death of the Fatimid Sultan, he rose to power. Salahuddin Ayyubi strengthened his rule from Iraq to Syria, Tunisia, and Yemen to fight the Crusaders. After 91 years of Crusader dominance, in 1187, Palestine once again came under Muslim rule. From 63 BCE to 1187 CE, spanning 2087 years, the name Israel was nowhere to be found. After 91 years of Crusader rule, Islamic dominance was re-established in Palestine in 1187. By 1299, the Ottoman Empire had been established, ruling half the world, including Europe, Asia, and Africa, for 623 years. Following World War I, Britain seized Palestine in 1917 without fighting any war for it. In 1922, under conspiracies, the Ottoman Empire was dissolved. However, British rule ended after World War II in 1946. In 1948, Britain and America conspired to create Israel on Palestinian land, handing over half of Palestine to the Zionists and naming the seized land Israel. It was publicized that this land was a gift from God to the Jews, citing references from the Bible and the Quran. However, this Zionist conspiracy failed as people began reading the Quran to understand the history of Palestine and Israel. They realized that while the Quran mentions Israel, it refers to Prophet Jacob's nickname, not a land. Witnessing the steadfastness, faith, and love for Islam among the Muslims in Palestine, many embraced Islam. Since 1878, the Muslim world has again been advancing in the Middle East, Central Asia, and Africa. Soon, a new government will be established in Palestine. Friends, we remind you again that in many of our videos, we have mentioned that the next superpowers will be China and Russia, and they will lead the world under the guidance of Islamic nations. This new global order will be led by those who rule over Palestine. For 3,500 years, from the time of Prophet Yusuf as to today, the one who ruled over Palestine has ruled the world. This was today's vital information. See you in the next video. Until then, Fi Amanillah. You are watching Social Democratic News, SD24.